Hey, just want to demonstrate a couple of these things. First is hand support. Put it over your hands, over the palm. It's a little too big for my hands, but if you can put plastic cutlery in there, which makes it good for traveling, and use it as a fork. Each of these hand supports, I have two that I made, can attach the other attachments that I have added. This attachment allows you to just hold your hand in place and twist a bottle. If you had something one-handed to hold the bottle in place, then use this, and the cap will stay in it. And then this is the other item. This is a paper cup or styrofoam cup holder. As is traditional in Texas, we've been eating Whataburger, and so this is just to kind of demonstrate how large of a cup it can hold. Obviously, your mobility and strength might be a little different. And then the last piece here is a little card holder you can use if you're playing Uno, or as I am, or you're playing, euchre, or whatever. So, anyways, if these things don't fit your hand, because you have a larger hand or smaller hand, please let me know. Or if you find anything else online that would be helpful, I'll print it and get it shipped off to you. Thanks.